dignitaries who has come across the state and from the private participation. And thank you very much for inviting me from the Government of Bihar side, and I will have discussion a little bit what we are doing in ICT, information communication technology in public sector undertakings in Bihar, especially Bihar State Building Construction Corporation, who is the second largest corporation in the Government of Bihar. I will not take too much time, just like 10 to 15 minutes, and we will have discussions. The structure of my presentation will be why we have taken into consideration ICT in our corporation, and more or less several other corporations in Government of Bihar also. What was those benefits, where we have achieved, what we have achieved, and what are the challenges we have faced in implementing these kind of activities in Government of Bihar. So most important, why we have used information communications, especially mobile, online time management information system, offline information technology, and of course online information technology also. Mostly three factors we have taken into consideration: transparency, so that everybody should see; timely decisions, we should get informations from districts and below districts, and of course from the center and the state level also. And the most important, accountability, because that is the utmost important for the Government of Bihar and for any state government. These are, of course, to provide informations, to minimize duplicacy, tackling different kind of challenges with reference to other paperworks. So these are some of the core requirements for which we have taken into consideration for implementing ICT in public sector enterprises. ICT requirement, there may be the several different factors: e-governance, maybe e-health, as we do in National Rural Health Mission, and e-business, several other like Ministry of Finance, maybe Department of Financial Services, and several other Ministry of Industry. But here we have mostly utilized in e-governance side, because that might be the effective tool for strengthening our system. These are, of course, the central government linking from top to bottom with the help of this registration, real-time information system management. And of course, we have taken into consideration three different kind: government interaction between, from the government to people, government to government, and rest any other people. So these three we have taken into consideration in last 2 years. In my corporation and more or less 5-6 corporation in Bihar, we have used 5 different kind of IT: e-procurement system, of course, e-monitoring system, project management information system, GFACT, government financing and accounting system, which is being utilized by the several other states also, and of course BS, BCCL, our own website. So I'm happy to share that only with the help of these five infrastructure sectors, I had joined 1 year 9 months back in this corporation. That time the total project outlay was just 14 crore of my corporation, and annual outlay was the 3 crore. These days, as on date today, my corporation, they had achieved already total project cost more than 4,000 crore, and the annual outlay more than 1,900 crore. So almost 70 to 80 times better we have achieved in Government of Bihar. So for that we have also achieved award from the Government of Bihar side. Doing best, just we have the slight technique just to link with the people, with the contractors, with the service providers. Only these 5 systems, we have to achieve a lot, but like the first dignitary, he was discussing about the mobile, we have also utilized in the project management information system, like e-procurement system, real-time management system, e-monitoring, it's a online GPS and mobile tracking system. Everybody, our engineers, we have more than 705 engineers across the state, divided in 38 districts. So we get real-time data regarding the achievement of the project, the situation of the project, the pictures and everything. With the help of that, helps us to link the financial management system also, GFACT. project management information system, we work in these 5 principles: complete project on time, pay contractor on time, no need to come in office, green building concept. Of course, the Ministry of Environment and Forest, maybe after NIA, National Environment Assessment Act 2005, after that we had to take care of these activities. Resistive building and the sustainable buildings. And our corporation was the first in Government of Bihar who has achieved 3 ISO certifications: ISO 9001, 2008, Quality Management System which linked, ISO 14001, 2004, I'm sorry, I forget exactly the name of the management specifications, and ISO 18001, the safety, health and safety hazard management information system. And good quality, of course, that is the utmost important for us to take care. E-procurement system, here we have linked each and every contractor online. They had to pay online for EMD or any other kind of activity. They had to go through some e-payment gateway, for which we are linked with the several banks in Bihar. And at most, they don't have to come in our office. We provide on the basis of PMIS information, MB record, and the financials capability, financials target. We provide them money directly to their bank account through e-payment system. The GFACT, Government and Financing and Accounting System, these are also we are implementing. Some of the snapshot we have taken with the help of NIC. We have interlinked with these two, PMIS and GFACT. We have taken into consideration there should not be duplication of accounts. Parallelly 2 accounts, one will be the credit side, one will be for the debit side, and that so that there should not be any kind of mismatch while calculating financial data. These are some of the trial balance, sub-trial. These are the economically double entry system. As I told you, the double complete bookkeeping system. I think the GFACT provides all those kind of informations. Fast. These are some of the objectives that I have already explained you. These are the basic factors to strengthen the financial management system at the districts level and below. Fund flow, transferring bank from 1 person to 2 persons, from the government side to the contractor side, and from the contractor side to the government side. No need to interact in persons, everything through online system. These are the flow chart for which from 1 person to how this money goes from 1 person to 2 persons, from top to bottom and from bottom to top. And last and the most important, our web portal, we use mobile system, SMS. If I want to do SMS to any contractor or any engineers, just I have to click and then I have to send. I have the user ID and password, and then I have to say, if I want to send 10 contractors, we can do 20, and even we can interact, we can interface with the engineers also, or any other persons who are our co-partners in corporation. Right? These are the disabled friendly, differently able. These days we used to say differently able. These are the unique in Bihar. Anybody, any persons who are incapable to understand, to listen, they can utilize these things. Challenges, the most important we are facing, and I have told informal discussion this today, morning time, I have also discussed with the Mr. Ravi Gupta. I used to say we used to do all, sir, all, more or less, sir, all corporations, they are doing some or other kind of the good practices. But for that, for getting information, we had to go on the offline information system. Sir, we will request through this platform, and earlier I had also requested on the other platform also, sir. There should be some mechanism through which we can share our day-to-day challenges, experience, good practices. And we will request, sir, through the elite authority, that if they can take care, so it will be good for us. What any corporation in Government of Bihar or maybe the Government of Manipur or government or any private participations. Sir, I used to come in this such type of conference only because I learn a lot from the private participations also, and even from the government side. For that, I have to travel at least 1,000 kilometers. It will be very easy for us, sir, if we can make one platform where we can share the good practices, how we can go ahead to achieve our target, and we can go ahead for better financial management and business enterprises, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Excellent.